Hey guys, Daniel here. Well, happy Wednesday and good morning from California or wherever you are. Today it is Wednesday and I want to talk to you about recent news that has been happening. So Congress has approved for individuals due to coronavirus and the hardship to have the ability to withdraw up to $100,000 from their 401k. Today I want to discuss is this is a good idea, what you should do, and some of the things that you should consider before making that step. So, coming up. Hey there again. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Daniel Lungu. I'm a financial advisor, and this channel is all about giving you tips and advice to help you improve your personal financial situation, and of course, update you about any new news that is happening regarding your personal finances and how you should navigate the complex water of financial planning. So, as I mentioned in the intro, Congress has approved for individuals due to the COVID-19 situation, an ability to withdraw up to $100,000 or 100% of your vested amount in your 401k. Now, the question is this actually a good idea? So let's discuss this for a second. But before actually going to is it a good idea or bad idea, let's look at the details. So basically, with the stimulus package that Congress is trying to approve, there are certain details that you need to know about this ability to withdraw money from your 401k. So the first thing is that you're allowed to withdraw up to $100,000 from your 401k or 100% of the amount that you are vested, whichever is less. Although this amount is not subjected to the 10% penalty if you are before the age of 59 and a half, you still need to pay taxes. So that's the first thing to consider. Now, the second thing that you need to consider is the fact that although you're taking the money out, a lot of the times the plan administrator, whoever administers your company 401k, may not allow you the opportunity to take the money out due to the financial hardship. So this category considered financial hardship. So that's why the government allows you to do that. But because of a lot of the plan administrators, they might actually force you first to take the money in the form of a loan, which means that you're still liable to pay the money back if you don't want to accrue some interest. You're still going to be liable for taxes. So make sure that if you thinking about this as one of your last resorts and due to your current hardship, consider first checking with your HR and plan administrator if you even have the provision of withdrawing money for financial hardship. Alright, so now that we kind of discussed the gist of the current stimulus, let's take a look at the pros and cons. So obviously the big pro is for those who are truly suffering, who truly have the impact of the current situation due to the virus or COVID-19 and might need money or have access to money because they maybe have been laid off, or maybe they're just don't have enough in reserves. And this 401k is their last place to kind of withdraw funds. I understand. So having the ability to take money out to help support your lifestyle or your loved ones might be beneficial. But before you do that, take a look at the understanding that taking money out during declining market will let you be able to actually withdraw a lot less money from your 401k. I'm sure you've been looking at your growth and you've seen how your 401k plummeted due to the market instability and volatility and obviously decline. So taking right now and cashing your 401k is perhaps a big mistake. If at least the market would have been would rebound and would get back to where it used to be before this crisis, I understand, but obviously then that stimulus would not have happened. So take that with a grain of salt. But if you do, here's one thing to consider. The second thing to consider is the fact that there might be other reserves that you might have not thought about it. So let's take a look at some other options that you might have. So the first thing is take a look at perhaps if you're one of those individuals who bought permanent cash value life insurance, you might be able to take some money out of your cash value without any penalty. So not only that you don't have to pay taxes on that amount, but also you don't have to actually repay that money back, And what happens usually with cash value life insurance or permanent life insurance, like a whole life or universal life, then that amount of money that you took out, which a lot of the time you don't also have restrictions on how much allowed you can actually take, is simply deducted from your death benefit when the time comes. So that's a first place where if you don't have reserves or if you don't have a place to pull from, that's a great place to take a look first. Now, second down the priority, but still better than borrowing from your 401k, is taking a look at home equity line of credit. Now, if you already have home equity line of credit, you probably know that if you have some equity built in your house, and you can simply pull some money out, and the interest rate is a lot lower than any credit card or personal loan, and you have the ability obviously to repay that loan. But taking that again with a grain of salt, because remember, a lot of the time if you take a home equity line of credit, the bank a lot of the time takes your house as collateral for when you take that money out. So it is definitely much better, and a lot of people do take equity out of their homes in order to pay down debt with a lot of greater interest rate, like credit cards, student loans, or things like that. But yet again, it's still not the most ideal situation. But again, this is a much better situation than taking out of your 401k. So here's two places that you could possibly take money from right now if you are in a pinch and if you are suffering from the current financial situation, and much better than taking out from your 401k. So be patient. This time, like any other health crisis that we had before, is passing. Just stay put, stay to the course, and as always, if you want to take advantage of having the ability to speak with a professional, I actually, due to the situation, would like to provide anybody who is watching this video, or anybody who that you know and care about, a complimentary 15-minute consultation over the phone, where you can dial in from the comfort of your home. And as you can see, I'm in my place where we keep social distancing when we're really trying to respect the requirement of the government. But if you want to have somebody to discuss your current financial situation, what some of the actions that you should take, have sounding board, I'm happy to talk to you as a financial advisor, to make sure to provide you some sounding advice so you can make sure to do the best thing that is relevant to your financial situation. So hope you enjoyed this video, a quick bite in the middle of the week to get you update about what is going on right now, where we are, and what is that you should do. So if you like this video, make sure to share it with the people that you care about, subscribe to the channel, and I will make sure to link in this video somewhere around here about other videos that I think you greatly benefit from in this situation. So make sure to subscribe, because there's next video coming up very soon. Take care, guys. Peace.